In this video, I will show you how to turn on the caps lock indicator in Windows 11. To begin, locate the Windows icon on your taskbar. Click on it to open the Start menu. Next, find and select Settings from the list. You can also use the shortcut by pressing Windows +I on your keyboard. Once you're in Settings, look at the options listed on the left side. Here, click on Accessibility. Now, scroll down until you find an option called Keyboard. Click on it. In this section, look for an option labeled Toggle Keys. What needs to be done next is straightforward. Simply turn on the switch next to Toggle Keys. With this feature enabled, every time you press Caps Lock, Number Lock, or Scroll Lock, your computer will play a sound alerting you that these keys have been activated. This auditory feedback helps prevent typing errors and enhances overall efficiency while using your keyboard. And that's it, you've successfully turned on the caps lock indicator in Windows 11. It's a small adjustment but can make a big difference in your typing experience. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.